lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Mine's doing pretty good. So you read from my title, we are going to be unboxing the BOLZANO handbag subscription. Let me get the other one. So I'm a little confused because I got two, and I'm not sure exactly what it is. I do get this sent to me free every month for my honest review. And usually I get an email stating like if it's going to be two of them. I believe last month it was because I got like the regular monthly subscription, and then she was doing like a promotion for a holiday set. So I'm not sure if this is what it is. By the time I put this out, I'll leave it on the screen and tell you the prices and stuff like that. So I do really love this subscription. I love getting handbags. I still call it pocketbooks. I'm old school, I guess. Purses. I just love getting every month. I love switching it out depending on where I'm going. So I really do enjoy this. There are different subscriptions you can get. You can just get the regular handbag that I believe is about $28 a month. Then you can get the handbag and you can get the accessories with it, which is a little bit more. I believe it's like $33 around that. Or you can get the handbag, the accessories, and the companions, which is a little bit more. So she usually sends me the whole 9. Like I say, I don't know which is which, but I'm going to open up this one here, and we'll go with that and see what this is. So this here says it's the thought that counts. So I think maybe what this is if you want to, especially for the holidays or anytime, if you want to buy this as a gift for somebody, you can do that. And I believe it's about $39. Like I said, I'll leave everything right here or in my description box. All right, why can't I get this thing open? All right, I got that open. Another thing that I like about it is you always get a dust bag to store your handbags, and I think that's great too. All right, so everything is there. This is this. All right, and this is like, okay, this is kind of like a slouch bag. I got something like this last month, but this is in black, and I actually like this a lot, actually. I mean, look at the details. You have, this here is a B for BOLZANO, but, oh, look, it's a snap. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Look at that. It has like the chain design. All right, so she usually puts everything in here, and I think that's so nice because like every pocket and crevice, that didn't sound right, has something in it. I'm not going to take the plastic off of this yet because I might give this as a gift to somebody, but I just think it's so nice, the slouch. I mean, I actually really like this. Right here you have like a little pocket here. So let's open that up and see how that opens. How do you open it? Oh. Okay, I figured it out. You push these like that to open it. And you can put keys, anything in there. That is so nice. I really like that. And then again, right here, you have another pocket, and you would just squeeze that again to open it. I really like this a lot. All right. So the first thing you have is in here. So there's separate pockets here, which I like. All right, so I'm just gonna pull out what is in here. You also have like a little zipper here. I think I might keep this for myself. Oh, and there's something in the, okay, that's the tag. What does it say? It just says it's a floral satchel black. Doesn't have the retail price or anything. All right. But let's take everything out here. This is really packed this month. And that is a really deep pocket. All right. And then over here, you have, see how you have that and you have here. So let's take everything out so I can show you a little bit better. And then you have like, you know, little thingy-majiggies in here. So let's take that out, see what's in there. All right, and then right here, look, you have more. Then you have a zipper. All right, so let's open that up. And this is a BO for BOLZANO. Oh my God, this is just so nice. And then this is spacious. So I really like this bag. I know I keep saying it, but I love that. All right, so that's the bag. All right, so then we have papers in here. I'm not sure if that's leather. There's like over 50 questions when you do sign up for this. It'll ask you like what colors you like, what kind of design do you like, do you want leather, do you want vegan leather? It asks you so much. All right, so here's some pictures right there of what it would look like when you wear it. And let's see what this is. All right, just some more information and stuff. All right, so let's open this puppy up and see what is in here. And like I said, I really enjoy getting this, and you can also give it as a gift, like a one-time purchase as well. All right, oh, so this is a little bracelet here, and I love silver. That's really, really nice. My daughter loves bracelets, so I think I'm going to give this to her. All right, and then we have here probably earrings to match. Yeah, that is so pretty, little like, you know, diamond earrings. That is really, really nice. Okay, so these are the accessories. And then this would be considered the companions here. All right, so what's this? So this is a mud scrub. Charcoal and tea tree scrub mask. I'm not gonna take the plastic out because I'm definitely gonna gift this to somebody that I know loves this type of stuff. And that way it doesn't, you know, come out. And then this looks like an eyeshadow palette. So let's open this up and see. All right, so this is Hanky Panky Cosmetics, Havana in Love. Hanky Panky, love that. All right, it comes with a mirror, and then that's what the shadows look like. That is gorgeous. That's really, really pretty. All right, so let's recap what we got for this bag. I mean, I really think I'm gonna keep this bag. It's so pretty, and I just love the design on here. You guys can see. And you just have so many different like pockets and different things. I think this is probably my favorite bag that I've ever gotten from BOLZANO. Love it. So then we have an eyeshadow palette. We have a scrub mask, and we have some jewelry. So we have earrings and a bracelet. I really, really like that a lot. I do have a code that I will leave down below. And if you use that code, when you sign up, you also get a free gift that's valued over $45. So that's good as well. All right, so then we have this. So let's see what this is. This might be the monthly one. I'm not sure. Like I said, I'll know more. This is really pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I can get this thing out. Yes. All right, let me take everything out of the bag. Okay. So this was packaged really nice. I had these right in here. I like this bag too. This is like a purplish brownish color. That is so nice. Love that. I really like this too. It's really, really nice. Okay. Then you always get, every month, you also get this strap that you can, if you want to make it longer or not, you get that. All right, so let's see. This is what it looks like. So you have some pockets right here. And then you have like a little zipper part right here. Yeah, and that's pretty deep. You could put keys or whatever you want in there. But I like this so much. And this right here is where you would put the strap in. Then you also have a pocket right here. take that out. So nice. It's really deep too. And then you have these right here. I really, really like it. I mean, this is nice if, you know, you're just going somewhere, you don't want to carry a whole bunch of stuff. Love it. All right, so that's the bag. Okay, what does this say? All right, this just tells you like congratulations on signing up and receiving a surprise styling each month. Okay, so it's just showing like what the bag would look like. All right, so let's go over what is in here. All right, so the first thing, okay, this is cute. It's like a pinkish color. It's a head wrap, and this goes actually really good. The colors go so good with that. All right, so we have that, you know, and I would definitely probably wear this over my ears because it gets very cold here. So then we have, what are you? Oh my God, how cute. It's like a little keychain with little things on here. Oh, that's so nice. It's like a little luggage, and then it has like a, sorry for all the noise, like the little Paris thing. That's nice. All right, let's open her up and see. You have to take the keychain off. So you can just use this and put your keys on there, or you can have this. Oh my God. Holy crap, this is so nice. I love these earrings. So nice. And you also let them know if you like gold or silver. That's gorgeous. I don't wear studs. If you notice, I always wear like bigger earrings. It's because when I was younger, I was about 6 months old when my mom took me to get my ears pierced, and 2 people did it at the same time, so they're uneven. And when the smaller earrings that I wear, you can definitely tell, like one's higher than the other, one is out more than the other. So I like wearing like, you know, stuff like this where you can't see so much. I keep saying I'm going to get my ears fixed, but I keep chickening out. And then you have a little barrette thingy here, which this is like in style now. You know, you would just put a little clip in to make it look nice. And then you can close that up and you can, you know, put this back on. And I mean, I love that so much. All right, so that's everything that's in there. And then, was that everything? Oh, no. Then we have this right here. And we have another mud scrub. This is actually a nice bag. I'm going to keep this bag because, you know, if I'm traveling somewhere and I have like foundation or anything, if anything spills, you know, it won't get messed up. And then, what are you? Let's see. What does this say? All right, let me cut it open. And like I said, if you don't want all this, if it's a little bit more pricey, you could just get the handbag every month. Oh, good. So this is like a mini, you know, a cleaner for your face. Kind of like one of those Farios, if I'm saying it right. Oh, that's awesome. It's a mini one. All right. So I love it too. So you get this to clean your face with the mud scrub. Then you get this, and then you get these thingamajiggies, and then you get earrings and like a little barrette. All right, and let me show you again what the pocketbooks look like. So they're so different, the styles, right? I really, really like this subscription. Comment down below and let me know, what do you think of this subscription? Would you enjoy getting handbags every month? You can also do it like bi-monthly. You don't have to do it every month. Let me know what you think of it. Do you like this type of thing, or do you just like beauty subscription boxes? Let me know. Let me know also, I think this is so good for the value. I really, really do. I love it so much. But anyway, that's everything, guys. Let me know in the comments down below how your day is going. Don't forget, I'm always so nosy. And that's everything, guys. So please rate this video. So either thumbs it up if you like it, or thumbs it down if you don't. And that's everything, guys. Don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you can be notified for all of my future videos and my giveaways. And don't forget to subscribe if you like unboxings. And I also have, in 2020, I'm going to be doing different videos as well. I'll still be doing some unboxings, but I'm going to do reviews on makeup, some get readies with me, a whole bunch of other things. So if you like that type of stuff, stuff, then make sure that you subscribe. And that's everything, guys. I love you guys so much. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.